Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking that you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that you have a recent backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, open iCloud. Com in a browser or the Photos/Files app on your device so you can view items directly. Make sure you have a wired connection or stable Wi-Fi, then sort photos by date or size to identify large batches. Start selecting the oldest or largest groups first, so you reduce storage quickly and predictably. Now you'll remove unwanted items. You select to pick large ranges or moments, so you delete in bulk rather than one by one. After deleting, navigate to Recently Deleted and permanently remove those items. This step actually frees space. If photos sync from another device you don't want, turn off iCloud Photos on that device to stop future uploads. Also review shared albums and remove large attachments or duplicates to further reduce your iCloud Drive photo footprint. Finish by checking settings your name iCloud to confirm the freed space. iCloud can take minutes to update across devices, so be patient. If your storage doesn't reflect deletions, sign out of iCloud on one device and sign back in to force a sync. If that fails, restart devices and check Apple's system status. If syncing remains stalled, contact Apple support. One troubleshooting tip: verify Recently Deleted is empty. Files there still count against your quota until permanently removed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.